There are about 21 skill stations in your NMC OSCE. Six of these is treated as so as if it is an implementation station. What do I mean? In these six stations, you're still going to be doing everything you do as so as you are administering medications. They are medications actually, but different routes. What are these six stations? We have administration of oxygen, we have inhaled medication, administration of suppository, we have VIP, that is visual infusion phlebitis, the assessment and the scoring. All right. Also, we have insulin administration and administration of intramuscular injection. They are medications, however, different routes, like I said earlier. What do I mean if I say they should be treated as implementation station? In implementation station, you carry out ID check twice. Yes, that is, before you go prepare the medication, you do first ID check. And after you are done preparing the medication, before administration, you are going to do another check. Why are you doing this check? It's for safety, so that you can still be sure it's still the same patient you are dealing with. Always verbalize this to assessor that you can still confirm you are with the right patient. All right. Another thing you do in implementation station that is still applicable to this six station is checking of the six rights of medication administration principles, which is the right patient, the right medication, the right route, the right time and date, validity of the prescription, and the proper documentation of the medication as soon as you are done administering. All right. Also, you need to check in these six stations the expiration of the medication. Failure to check this could result into something critical, and you wouldn't want this. So it is important to check the expiration of the, make sure the medication is still in date. All right. If it is expired, you should not give. And in some of these stations, especially the intramuscular injection and insulin administration, as well as the suppository, you need to check the site you are going to be administering the medication, which is key. Failure to do this could result into something critical. So you need to check if the site is okay, free from inflammation and all of that. So out of the 21 stations, already 6 is out of it. So you are left with 15. Yeah, out of this 15, about 5 of it is actually a silent writing station. It does mean you're not going to be demonstrating any skills, no wearing of PPE. It is with your pen and your paper, right? So that's that, and the remaining 10 is basically skills, your hand-on skills. All right. So in my subsequent videos, we are going to be discussing extensively on the rest stations, and until then, keep practicing OSCE. Bye bye.